And more news coming in as far as the One Nation, One Election bill is concerned. It has been cleared by the cabinet and is going to be introduced in Parliament. In this winter session itself is what we are picking up. Remember, this is the clearance of this much talked about One Nation, One Election, or One Poll report that was prepared by a high-level committee. Aishwarya getting in those details. Aishwarya, confirmation there finally in that indeed in the winter session of Parliament, the government is going to be bringing in this piece of legislation. When, how, tell us more.
That's what we are understanding at the moment. The crucial nod from the cabinet has been given. In fact, in September, it was the government that had approved the recommendations that were given by the high-level team that was being set up, which was led by the former president of our country, Ram Nath Kovind. Now, very clearly, they have been speaking about the fact that this is the need of the hour. They are saying that we will save crores of rupees, and in one go elections will actually be helpful for our country and will be helpful for our GDP, because constantly, Sneha, if you see, we are in an election mode. Either it's the big Lok Sabha elections that we speak about or the smaller state elections. Almost in a year, we have 2 to 3 elections that take place. So all those things will be wiped out, and every 5 years we will have simultaneous elections that will take place. And also, Sneha, interestingly, this is not the first time that we are seeing this. From 1947 till 1967. For 20 years, India indeed had one nation, one election. So we have done that. After 1967, we did see how after 68, a break of sorts came. And since then, we saw the cycle breaking up. So for 20 years, definitely, since 1947, we had one nation, one election, and this is also something that the report extensively speaks about. The money that will be saved, the time that will be saved, and overall the development of the country will increase many folds. That's what the government believes in, and that's what the recommendation also was.
All right.